In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from image in Adobe Express. If you've ever wanted to isolate a subject for a clean, professional look, perfect for thumbnails, social posts, or product images, this quick workflow will help you do exactly that. Start by opening Adobe Express in your browser or desktop app. Once it loads, you'll land on the home dashboard. We're focusing on background removal, so don't worry about exact canvas dimensions right now. Click Start New Design to open a fresh workspace. This gives you a blank canvas where you can place your image and apply the tool easily. With your canvas ready, look to the left-hand panel and click Media. This is where you bring images into your project. You can upload your own photo, but for this walkthrough, we'll use a sample photo so the process is consistent. Pick a sample with good contrast between the subject and the background for the best results. Clear edges and solid lighting make a noticeable difference. Select the sample photo you want to use. You should see a thumbnail preview. Clicking the photo adds it directly to your canvas. If it appears small or off-center, that's normal. You can drag the corners to resize and move it into place. The background removal tool works best when your subject is reasonably large and centered, so take a second to position it nicely. Now with the image selected on your canvas, look to the left side and click Remove Background. If you don't see the option, make sure the photo is highlighted. The tool only appears when an image layer is active. Adobe Express will analyze the picture and automatically separate the subject from the background. This can take a moment depending on your internet speed and image size. When it finishes, you'll see the background disappear, often represented by a checkerboard pattern indicating transparency. Zoom in to check the edges. Hair, fur, and fine details can be tricky in any editor, but Adobe Express does a strong job out of the box, especially with high contrast images. If the result isn't what you expected, try a different sample or ensure the photo is well lit and the subject stands out clearly. From here, you're ready to continue designing, add a new background, place text, or adjust colors to match your brand. The key steps are simple. Open Adobe Express, start a new design, go to Media, select a sample photo, place it on the canvas, and click Remove Background. That's all it takes to create a clean, transparent subject in just a few clicks.